First open Firefox web browser and search Xodo PDF Studio. Click on the first link. When the page opens, click on Desktop App, then download will start. Once the file is downloaded, you can see the file in your specific location. Open Terminal and write the command cd downloads, then press enter sh/./Xodo PDF Studio _linux64.sh. Then your download will start. Then select your language, then click on Next, then accept the agreement, then Next. Then the extraction will start in a few seconds. You will see the icon of the application in your screen. Then click on Finish, then run the application.